if you are wondering how long does the battery last on Nothing Phone 3 Pro, then the answer is on average 13.5 hours, which is considering the daily usage of the phone, the average daily usage of the phone, which consists of various things such as calling, browsing the internet, maybe watching some videos, etc. But if we just stick with calling and only calling, then the battery should last even up to 38 hours. Whereas if you are browsing the internet throughout the whole day, for example, then the battery should last almost 11 hours or so. When you are watching videos, you should be able to have the battery for almost 19 hours. And if you are playing games all the time, like if you charge your phone to 100% and then you start playing games, etc., then the battery should last approximately 8 hours. So definitely gaming consumes the most power and battery. So to summarize, the average time is approximately 13.5 hours, which is pretty much identical to the 3A, the Nothing Phone 3A. They have the same battery and we get pretty much the same results. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!